What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Taking a quick break from the IROC project. So we have a bracket here from a 2017 Chevy SS. This is the power steering delete bracket, and what happens is if you supercharge it or have too much torque, this thing snaps into three pieces, bolts onto the driver's side head. So what we're going to do is we're going to CAD one up on Fusion 360. We'll print one out on the 3D printer out of plastic, test fit it on the car, and if everything goes well, we'll send that file as a step file and have it machined out of billet aluminum. So let's get started with that. Right, so I got my design all done. You guys can see it here. Put the logo in. All done. Took the liberty of, that's the canvas that I used. I went ahead and 3D printed it already. There we go. There's the bracket. Completely 3D printed out of PLA. Got the logo in it as well. Yeah, I'm done. Here goes the side-by-side comparison. That's it. So I'll go ahead and test fit it on the car. Fall as well. We'll go ahead and export this as a STEP file, step file for CAD, and send that off to a CNC machinist to have him make it out of billet aluminum. So next stop, we'll test fit it on the car.